Hello guys, I'm back with a new DIY project, and as you can see, I am doing my file frame. Right here, this is just a tablecloth that I bought from Walmart, the black and white print, and I'm just measuring it out right here. And guys, I cannot say enough about this Mod Podge. I love it. I mean, it is good for so many uses. And as you can see, I'm just getting ready to Mod Podge this print to this board. This board is 36 by 48 inches, I want to say. It is very big. The frame that I have is huge as well. And I know a lot of women Mod Podge the bottom and the top, but I'm not going to put any Mod Podge on the top of this print because I wanted to look dry. I wanted to have that natural look that it already had. So right here, I'm just trying to figure out how I want to place these beautiful pumpkins that I cut out of another tablecloth that they was also selling at Walmart. And both prints, tablecloths, were $1.97 each. But I am going to Mod Podge the top and bottom of this print because I do want that glossy look, even though this say matte finish. I don't know if matte's supposed to look dry or glossy, but this come out very glossy and pretty. And let this dry for about an hour before I started placing my letters on it. And right here, to me, don't use brown. At least put it in like a light color, like a white or beige color. I did put the letters too close to the pumpkins at the top, so I decided to go in and cut out a pumpkin to fill in the spot that was needed. And I picked this pretty green pumpkin. I'm also going to Mod Podge the bottom and the top of this pumpkin and letters for that glossy look. And this is my rotary tool that I use to put the screws in the back of the picture frame. Well, my husband did it for me. He showed me how to use it. Now I know how. And I can, do other picture frames the same way. I had to do this to hold it in because, as you can see, I mean, it don't have anything on the back to hold the picture on the frame. And those are just paint sticks that I got in the hardware spot. And I'm just showing you just how small it was for my little short stubby fingers. It's very comfortable. I like it. I'm going to enjoy using it. This is the finished look of my picture. And guys, I love that border. It is beautiful. It's very beautiful. And if you like my DIY, please leave a like and comment down below. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and stay tuned and have a nice day.